This is Fitzherbert level crossing in Featherston. There's a train coming. DFB 7186 is the wire connection. Right, so we've got Montrose of Penrose LED lights and Western Cullen Hayes barriers and a classic Griswold bell. So yep, there's Fitzherbert Street Level crossing in Featherston, sorry, not Fielding. So yeah, that's it. Right, so we're at Fitzherbert Street Level crossing in Featherston and the bells have been replaced. So the mechanical Griswold bells are now gone. So we've got two Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells on either side of the crossing, and we've got got 6 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights. And the biggest change of this level crossing is the additional lights they have added in for the pedestrians. So yeah, and we've also got 2 Western Cullen Hayes barriers, so now all we have to do now is just wait for a train